To become a Get Your Guide affiliate. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video, I'll show you how to start earning commissions promoting travel experiences online. If you want to start right now, use the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the sign-up page. Get Your Guide is one of the most popular tourism platforms where people book tours, attractions, activities, and travel experiences around the world. The easiest way to become a Get Your Guide affiliate is through the Travel Payouts affiliate network. Again, if you want to create your account, use the verified and safe link in the description and pinned comment to register. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliadues.com, where I explain how these affiliate programs work. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Get Your Guide affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you'll receive your affiliate links to promote tours, attractions, and travel activities. Every time someone books through your affiliate link, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting tourism offers and earning commissions online, click the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment and create your affiliate account.